Let's see if he's gonna glow up. What the hell? Who the hell is this? This guy does not play for Real Madrid. This is the YN team. She's gonna have the best glow up. I can't. Oh my god, damn, okay. She's already ready to get married. Like, okay, I see you. Who you trying to get married with? She got an Ando for her. That's like a 9 out of 1,000. She's having the best upgrade of all time. What the hell is that? That goddamn smirk. Now she gotta get rid of that. But she loved it. Oh my god, damn. Damn, that's an upgrade. Okay. Why is this guy bald as hell? Oh, what the hell? All he did was change his face. Oh my god. What's up with these people with these damn smirks? Like, why are they always smirking? Oh my, what the? Finance at Freddy's! Oh hell nah! You gotta have the best upgrade. What the hell? Nah! Why does he even have a mask on? Like, what the hell? Yeah, never show your face. Oh, where does he go? What the hell is wrong with it? Oh my god, what the hell? Yo! Freaky ass emo! Nah, why is he actually built though? Oh my god, yo, ladies, watch out. Look at him run. What the? Yo, he's taking that girl away! Yo!